Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and greetings to all of us. First of all, allow me to say thanks to my thesis supervisor who had taken the time to guide, teach, and provide the best advice to me, then I can complete the thesis on time. This is Mrs. Ati Sumiati MM and Mr. Dr. Ahmad Fauzi SPD MAK. Before going any further, I want to introduce myself first. My name is Sufaira Nur Faradila from Study Program Accounting Education 2018. In this occasion, I will present the result of my research with the title The Effect of Emotional Intelligence, Self-Efficacy, and Learning Motivation on Student Achievement in Financial Accounting Subject, Class 11 Accounting at State Vocational School in East Jakarta. Before I start the presentation, here are the chapters that I will discuss. The first is chapter 1, is an introduction which consists of the background and research purpose. Chapter 2 is the theoretical studies, which consists of conceptual description and research hypothesis. Chapter 3 is a methodology, which consists of the place and time of the study, research methods, and population and samples. Chapter 4 is research and discussion, consisting of descriptions and discussions. And chapter 5 is closing, consisting of conclusion and suggestion. First, I will explain the research background. The factor that indicates a nation is said to be successful or not is education, because education will provide the next generation with quality so that it has an impact on the progress of a nation. Indonesia itself is still categorized as a developing country, and the quality of Indonesian education is still low. This can be seen from the research of observation made by the Program for International Student Assessment, or PISA, at 2070. From test observation is in 379 of the 396 participating countries, and at 2020, Indonesian Human Development Index ranking is ranked 27 of 45 countries in Asia. The success of education can also be seen from the learning achievement by students. This can be seen from the list of grades obtained by a student during end of semester assessment 1 activities in financial accounting subject at State Vocational Schools in East Jakarta. 4 of 7 schools majoring in accounting in East Jakarta have a low average score. A list of average score is as follows. SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta has an average score of 67 and 59 with a KKM of 84. SMK Negeri 48 Jakarta has an average 69 with a KKM of 87. SMK Negeri 50 Jakarta with an average score of 74 and 68 with a KKM of 78, and SMK Negeri 50 Jakarta with an average score of 58 with a KKM of 80. This can be provided that the learning outcome obtained from students are still very low. Handayani and Soliha, 20 and 21, student learning achievement can be influenced by several factors, including emotional intelligence, logical intelligence, self-confidence, and student attitudes. Moreover, during the COVID-19 pandemic, such as internal factors are considered very important so that students carry out maximum learning activities and obtain a good learning achievement. Based on the background of the problem that I have been present, for that I as researchers, I'm interested in conducting research with the title The Effect of Emotional Intelligence, Self-Efficacy, and Learning Motivation on Student Achievement in Financial Accounting Subject, Class 11, Vocational High School in East Jakarta. After that, there are the research purpose. Based on the background that I have present, the purpose of this research are: first, to find out whether there is an influence between emotional intelligence and student learning achievement. Second, to find out whether there is an influence between self-efficacy and student learning achievement. Third, to find out whether there is an influence between learning motivation and student achievement. And the last is to find out whether there is an influence between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, and learning motivation with student learning achievement. Next, Chapter 2 is Theoretical Studies, which consists of conceptual description and research hypothesis. First, a description conceptual of learning achievement. According to Manzano Sanchez et al. 2018, learning achievement is the learning result obtained by students which can be measured by tests or exam. Bloom said achievement can be measured by knowledge, skills, and attitudes. In this research, the indicator used to measure learning achievement is the average score of the even semester financial accounting subject reports in class 11 accounting and state vocational school in East Jakarta. Next is a description conceptual of emotional intelligence. According to Ahmad et al. And in 2019, emotional intelligence is this competence that exists within each individual that can be used to predict one's future success as well as personal relationship between individuals. And Sunarti in 2018 cite there are several indicators of emotional intelligence. There are recognizing self-emotions, managing self-emotions, motivating oneself, recording others' people emotion, and building relationship with others. Third, conceptual description of self-efficacy. According to Ugwuanji 2020, self-efficacy is the expertise possessed by each individual for the ability in himself that he can carry out every activity. Anggraini in 2020 explained indicators that can be used to measure self-efficacy are magnitude, strength, and generality. For conceptual description of learning motivation. According to Al-Afghani Purwandi in 2019, learning motivation is a condition that initiate and guide students to have deeper interest in learning. Yulika in 2019 cite indicators that can be used to measure learning motivation are interested in learning, being independent when studying, being diligent when studying, being tenacious in facing difficulties, and having hopes and aspiration for the future. Then, there is a research hypothesis. This study has 4 hypotheses, which are as follows. First, there is an effect between emotional intelligence and learning achievement. Second, there is an effect between self-efficacy and learning achievement. Third, there is an effect between learning motivation and learning achievement. Fourth, there is an effect between emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, and learning motivation with learning achievement. Next, Chapter 3 is a methodology, which consists of the place and time of the study, research method, and population and research sample. This research was held from January to July 2022 at SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta, SMK Negeri 48 Jakarta, and SMK Negeri 50 Jakarta. This type of research is quantitative with a survey method using a questionnaire distributed to respondents via Google Form. This study used primary data for the independent variable and secondary data for the dependent variable. The population in this study were students of class 11 accounting at SMK Negeri in East Jakarta, which consists of 117 and IT students with a sample of 119 respondents. Furthermore, Chapter 4 is the result and discussion, consisting of the description of the data and hypothesis testing. The description of the research data consists of gender and school origin. First is gender. The respondent of this study consists of 14 or 12% male and 105 or 80% is female. Then as many as 47 or 39% of respondents from SMK Negeri 46 Jakarta, 24 or 20% of respondents from SMK Negeri 48 Jakarta, and 48 or 40% respondents from SMK Negeri 50 Jakarta. Then the hypothesis test. The first is a test of the recruitment and data analysis, consisting of a normality test and linearity test. The normality test of this research has a significant value of 0,1 to 4. This indicates that data is normally distributed because of the value of significance bigger than 0,05. Second is linearity test. Linearity test was carried out on each independent variable on the dependent variable. On the linearity line, x1 to y has a significant value of 0,000. Second, the x2 to y has a significant value of 0,000. Third, the x3 to y has a significant value 0,000. From the linearity test, the data obtained by the researcher is linear because the significant value for each variable has a significant value less than 0,05. After that, testing for multiple regression analysis. This research has a multiple regression equation. Y equals 65,207 plus 0,103x1 plus 0,105x2 plus 0,165x3. Then the F-test. The F-test is carried out to see the joint effect of the independent variables on the dependent variables. F-test requirements are significant less than 0,05 or F-count bigger than F-table. From this table, it has a significant value of 0,000 and F-count of 49,062 and F-table of 2,68, which means significant less than 0,05 and F-count bigger than F-table. So there is a joint influence between the independent variable and the dependent variable. After that is t-test. T-test was carried out for the individual influence of the independent variable on the dependent variable. The t-test requirement is the value of significance less than 0,05 or t-count bigger than t-table. From this table, the value of significant variable x1 is 0,004 and t-count is 2,930 and significance x2 is 0,42 and t-count is 2,061 and significance x3 is 0,000 and t-count is 4,410 and this study obtained a t-table of 1,980. 081, and it means the effect of each independent variable on the dependent variable. Okay, next is the test the coefficient of determination. The coefficient of determination is done to see how far the success of the regression model is to explain the independent variables. Based on the table above, the adjusted R-square of the study is 0,550, which indicates that 45% of learning achievement can be influenced by other factors that not examined. And the last is chapter 5 is closing, which consists of conclusion and suggestion. This research has a conclusion. First, emotional intelligence has a positive and significant effect on student achievement. Second, self-efficacy has a positive and significant effect on student achievement. And the third is learning motivation has a positive and significant effect on learning achievement. And the last is emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, and learning motivation has an effect on learning achievement. The last one is a suggestion for this research. Based on the research that has been done by the researchers, then I as a researcher can provide suggestion as follows. First, for students, in order to obtain better learning achievement, students should pay attention to the low indicators of each variable. Second, for educators, it is necessary to provide guidance and learning to students related to emotional intelligence, self-efficacy, and learning motivation. Third, for future researchers, further researchers can use a large research sample so that they will obtain more valid research data. Next, besides that, students can use other factors that can affect student learning achievement. And the last, for the education office, can add schools with accounting major so that there are more students in accounting major. I think my presentation is enough. I would like to say many thanks to all those who helped me so that my presentation, my research was complete. If you have many questions or suggestions, please write them in the comments below. So in the end, let me say thank you to many people, and I want to say sorry for many mistakes. And last word I want to say wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.